on since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Okay, y'all. So I'm heading to Jamaica. Yeah. Where'd you go? Oh, you know. So y'all, we just was in KFC and I was about to try KFC for the first time. We stood in line for 30 minutes. They're not accepting card. So, yeah.
Thank you. What do you name of the chicken noodle? What's that team?
Thank you.
Actually, all the juices on the same.
This how hot
I'm like, what plate? Oh, it's sitting.
Welcome to our
Airbnb. Yeah, our home, not Airbnb. No,
we live here. Girl, remember when we went to Japan, China, to go get these? Remember we went to China
yes.
and we got these?
Especially
marble.
The stove. Yeah, the stove. Like no one barely has it, so it was kind of expensive.
From Dubai, right? We had to go overseas to get that.
I think I have to read the instructions.
And look, they did not tell us about the sparkles.
No, yeah. So this has sparkle in it, which is great.
It was like 50,000.
50,000?
Or was it?
Right. And these lights, though.
The lights. The lights were 1,000.
Right.
Per light. But that's
Yeah.
just the bulb, not the fixture. The
No.
fixture was,
No, that's separate.
it was like 5,000.
Right.
Then, then you know, we got 10-year life warranty.
we just like finished renovating and everything, so that's why our fridge is kind of empty.
We just, you know,
Right. Yeah.
And then we got this microwave
Oh,
from
yes.
Egypt.
Oh my God. Wait, this Pablo Picasso did this for us
Himself. Right before.
Right. Yeah. Right before. Yeah.
Right before he.
Yeah. Right. Then.
Remember we got this glass when we went to Ghana.
Right. And then we got this in Colombia.
But then the coffee stained it.
Right.
So don't buy
Oh
this.
my God.
Bad for business.
And then the black pepper. This is the
Don't
best.
tell them where we got that from.
No, this
Don't
is
tell
a hidden gem.
No.
Yeah. This is our new crib, and we're super duper excited. And you know, we got stuff that people use in a regular kitchen.
Right.
You
Nice,
know, we
everything.
are material girls. We don't cook, but you know, you never know.
Right. We got the chef coming at 5.
So where's the stove?
No, oh, we were showing you the stove that we got from
Aruba.
Aruba.
And then these mittens, Bora Bora.
Bora.
Oh, the stove.
Yeah,
You hear that?
Crystal! What? Oh God, Crystal, turn off this door.
Mittens. Why are they making it?
What the hell? Plug it.
Wait. So is it still on?
No. No. Why this stuff cool? I figure it's turning off.
Yeah, I think it's off.
Okay.
Then you gotta hold it.
Calm
See?
down, time.
Look,
Yeah.
we not new to this, we true to this.
True to this.
It's about to, cut off
Right.
momentarily.
Right. And then we have this here that shows chamomile, mint, rosemary, bay leaves, tarragon, basil, chervil. Is it sage?
Oh, yes, sage.
And oregano.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. And you know we can't forget the soap.
Oh my God!
Straight
this
from
soap
went from the motherland.
the motherland. This is natural, vegan. Yeah. Oh, and water.
Straight from Jamaica.
Straight from yard. Oh, and did we show them our expensive bathroom?
Y'all not ready for that.
No, I don't. Should we? It's kind of personal though, because it's a lot. We don't want to.
Okay.
Come on. A little bit. Not too much though.
So, the toilet,
Right. It is what it is,
straight from Indonesia. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
This modern thing, we built this ourselves.
Yeah, because we were there all night, all day, and it's just so fantastic that we made this happen
Right.
together.
Exactly. And then,
Teamwork.
then our husbands, they helped a little bit.
A little bit.
A little bit. You know?
Okay.
They
Our
actually put in this.
Right.
You know, the shower.
Yeah.
You think I should give them a sneak peek?
Yeah.
Can't get my hair wet.
Oh.
Oh, so look, you got options. You can either use this or. Okay.
Oh.
Rain on me. You see that? It's good water pressure. Right.
It smells good too.
Got a little on my arm. All right. So this is the bathroom.
Yeah.
Doors made in, France.
Yeah, the design, it's one of a kind. Only we got this. That's what the people said.
Yeah, they said we got you, babe.
We
your
got
back,
you,
babe.
babe. And these seats are like they make your booty grow. And that's why my man's like, ooh baby, every single he's like, ooh your booty be looking good as hell, baby. I don't know what you're doing. I'm like, sitting on that shit. So they need one of these. You need one of these.
So you can get one off eBay for $30 with our discount.
Right, our discount code will be down below.
Yes.
And then the bed.
Y'all really want to know where the? Oh, I just got a little water on there, so don't mind. That was
It's
my
breast
arm.
milk. The bed is so sweet. You can have a lot of fun with this. You cannot go by that like you just did not say that. This girl said it's breast milk. Who got breast milk? I don't know. No.
Well, I'm gonna cut off this American accent and really go
True.
to my real accent.
Real accents.
I'm literally constantly trying to find different ways.
That is the same thing that I try to do every single day.
When I went through the airport today, they constantly continue to. Oh, there's just stupid mix.
It's so crazy because, living in Jamaica as a British, it's hard.
But it's tough.
It's tough.
Tough, man. It's tough.
It's mad crazy down here. You're trying to get through the airport and they're giving you a runaround like, I'm a human.
But if I was the white people,
Oh my God, don't mention
if I
it.
was a white gal,
Don't mention it, girl. There.
would it go?
I'm sorry.
Now I'm gonna cook what's up.
Nobody. But this is our suite. It's we didn't show them our expensive closet though.
That closet.
It's so much.
It's expensive.
And all of our clothes is there, so it's we don't want to go through that.
Right.
Or lavish, Gucci, Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, like Hermes, I believe that's what it's called.
I don't even remember because we so rich anyway.
Balenciaga. Without the aga.
Right.
But
Yeah.
This is our life and we sticking to it.
Yeah. It's my life. Peace.
Bye.
B.O.B. Oh,